Welcome to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm sharing with you guys the easiest way to clean grime and grease off of your doors. All you're going to need is a little bit of Dawn dish soap, some vinegar, and a cleaning bottle of your choice. You're going to start off by actually warming up about 1.5 cups of vinegar in your microwave. While that's happening, go ahead and put a little bit of Dawn dish soap right in the bottom of your spray nozzle here. We're going to add that warm vinegar to the Dawn dish soap, and this is actually going to create like a gel. It's going to not really drip like another cleaning spray would. It's going to stick to where you spray it, which is going to allow it to really cut through that grease and grime. Not even talking about how obviously the Dawn dish soap, that's kind of what that's for, right? It cuts through grease, grime, different things like that on your dishes. It's great for using in other purposes of your house as well. And then of course the vinegar is actually a disinfectant because it's so acidic. It cuts through all that bacteria. It's great for so many different things, but you're going to see me here in a second. We're actually going to use this spray to also clean off the gunk and grime that happens right around your doorknob, and it's also going to disinfect. Cold and flu season's coming up, you guys, and this is a really easy way to cut through some of those yucky things but still have it be a little bit more of a more natural cleaning product, if you will, but it's still going to do all the things that maybe a Lysol would or something that's more chemically based. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will catch you guys in the next one.